Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM custom roles for permissions, full guide step by step clearly. To activate custom roles for permissions in Zoho CRM, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the settings menu, look for the users and controls section. Click on users. You will see a list of all users in your organization. Locate and select the roles option in the left sidebar. Here, you will find the existing roles in your CRM. To create a new custom role, click on the plus new role button. A form will appear prompting you to enter the role name. Provide a descriptive name for your custom role. Next, you will need to define the permissions for this role. In the permissions section, you can specify access levels for various modules. Scroll through the list and check the boxes for the permissions you want to assign. If you want to restrict access, ensure the appropriate boxes are unchecked. Once you've set the desired permissions, scroll down and click Save. Your custom role is now created but not yet assigned to any users. To assign this role, return to the Users section. Find the user you wish to assign the custom role to. Click on the user's name to open their details. In the user details, locate the role drop-down menu. Select the custom role you just created from the drop-down. After selecting the role, ensure to save the changes. The user will now have the permissions defined in your custom role. Repeat these steps for any additional users who need this role. You have successfully activated custom roles for permissions in Zoho CRM. Now, you can easily manage user permissions based on their roles. This will enhance workflow efficiency and data security within your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.